I think here.
Hi,
Hello.
where are you from?
Friends, we live in Australia.
Very good. Welcome to Antalya.
Thank you.
How long are you staying in Antalya?
Only gonna be 2 days. We're going to Geyikbayiri, not too far.
How is your vacation so far?
Really good. Amazing weather, people are nice,
Good
beautiful
food.
city, good food. Yeah, good, great.
Best place in Antalya?
I would say it's probably around here with the view and the mountains at the back.
Yeah, the old town close to the sea is amazing.
How much do you No problem. How much do you spend per day in Antalya?
Ooh, we're on a very low budget, so I'd say around,
Maybe around
counting the room, 30 euro a day,
maybe 40 euro a day.
40 euro a day.
I think so.
That's about 2,000 lira.
Is Antalya cheap or expensive?
As a big city, is in the middle. Yeah, it's not as expensive as Istanbul.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a designer.
And I'm a yoga teacher.
What advice do you have for other tourists?
Come to Antalya.
Yeah.
I think we mostly came here for rock climbing, and so we didn't plan to visit the city. But now we're here. I would really recommend it. It's a nice stop.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, it's
Great base to visit all around.
Did you have any culture shock here?
No, not really. We travel a lot, so no culture shock.
not yet, at least.
Not yet.
What surprised you most?
Maybe the fact that it's I don't know, the old city is like really ancient and beautiful and very touristy. I don't know. I was expecting it maybe less touristy, but in a good way. It's really beautiful.
That's nice. Thank you. Hi.
Hello,
Where are you from?
I'm from Romania.
Welcome to Antalya.
Thank you.
How long are you staying in Antalya? How long are you staying in Antalya?
Just for the day.
Oh, okay. How is Antalya?
I think that is really beautiful, maybe one of the most beautiful cities I have ever seen, especially with the sea and all.
How much do you spend per day in Antalya?
Well, I didn't spend very much. I think that I spent about 20 euros for now. And maybe I'll spend 10 more on something to eat.
Okay. Is Antalya cheap or expensive?
I think that it's medium. I wouldn't say that it's very cheap, but not as expensive as other European countries where I'm from.
What surprised you here?
I think that the scenes, the panoramic scenes, are amazing.
Best place in Antalya?
I think the marina is very beautiful.
Marina.
Yeah.
Here.
It's stunning. Yeah.
Stunning. That's right. Best food you tried?
I think like the baklavas are.
Baklava.
Yeah.
Yes. And Antalya in one word.
In one word. Friendly.
Friendly.
Yeah.
What do you do for a living? Are
I'm
you
a student. Yeah.
Okay, that's right. How are the people here?
As I said, I think that they are very friendly and open. Yeah. just like you are.
Thanks. Hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Where are you from?
We're from England.
Ireland.
We've been here 7 times now. We come every year.
Oh,
First time we came to have dental work done, and we come every year now. We love
very
it.
good. How is your trip so far?
Lovely, really good. Well, last week was a bit with the thunderstorms, but it's been beautiful for the last 2 or 3 days. We love it.
How much do you spend per day in Antalya?
Well,
How much what?
how much do you spend per day in Antalya? We have shopping every day. Shopping today. What did you just spend? We spent about 2,500 on lunch, and so yeah, we spend quite a bit while we're here. 'Cause
How about hotel?
we stay in different places. Sometimes here, sometimes Lara Beach. We're down in a small hotel this time. It's okay.
Is Antalya cheap or expensive?
It's getting more expensive.
It's very expensive now
know.
compared to when we were here 7 years ago.
It's about the same for a beer here
As in England.
as in England, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I think the cost of living has gone up here.
What advice do you have for other tourists?
Advice. If they need any dental work or any medical work, it's great. The people are fantastic,
Thanks.
and normally the weather is wonderful. So when you come, whether you stay in Kaleiçi or in Antalya, it's very good. Lots to do.
Thank you. Did you have any culture shock here?
Any
Culture shock.
culture shock?
Culture surprising, something surprising you?
No.
No,
because
we're very lucky.
We've been here lots of times.
Yeah.
Okay. And best place in Antalya?
Best place.
Best place.
No, there's lots. We love it down in the harbour. It's beautiful down there. Nice to eat. And what people watch.
Yeah, the old town is good.
Old Town.
Old
We
Town
like
is
it.
good.
Yeah, we like it here.
Yes. Best food you tried?
Aye, yeah.
We didn't. We've had. I like the kebabs. I like the. We just had salad today, which was nice. But we try lots of different things.
Yeah, most food is good.
Yeah.
Thank you. One word for Antalya.
One word.
It's what, one word?
Yeah.
One word.
Excellent.
How are the people here?
Very nice. We love the Turkish people.
Oh, well, like that.
No, we love the Turkish. They're always really polite and kind, and
No, they're very good.
yeah,
they're very
we've
good.
never had any issues. In 7 years, we've never met. Nobody's ever been rude to us.
Yeah,
They're
we've
always-
come here the last 7 years, every year. So, yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia. I'm from Siberia.
Welcome to Antalya.
Thank you.
How long are you staying in Antalya?
Oh, a week?
How much do you spend per day in Antalya?
Expend my my favorite boyfriend, not I. For me, everything free.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
And what do you do for a living? What do you
I'm
do
a
for
system
work?
analyst. I am working IT.
IT, very good. What advice do you have for the other tourists?
Oh, just relax. A lot of going, walking, not sleep, not eat, only walking.
Only walking.
Yeah.
Did you have any culture shock here?
Culture shock. Here, no. No.
What's the difference from your country?
In my country, in my city, very cold. Today, snow, windy. Here, warm, hot. A lot of sunny.
Yes. What was very cheap for you here?
Cheap
Cheap.
here.
Or what is expensive?
I don't know. For me, everything free here.
I must ask you from
what's
your friend.
advice for everything, girls? Yes, да. Все так.
Hi,
Hi,
where are you from?
I'm from Romania.
Welcome to Antalya.
Thank you.
How long are you staying in Antalya?
I'm leaving tomorrow. Yeah, and I came last week on Tuesday.
That's nice.
So about a week and a day. 8 days. Let's say 8 days. Sorry.
Very good. How is your trip so far?
It was very nice. Yeah, we had also a boat trip, which was very nice. We go to some waterfalls, do some activities around here. It's very nice.
Thank you. How much do you spend per day in Antalya?
I am actually with an Erasmus project, so it was all for free. Only if we want something like to eat or ice cream or baklava, something like that. So not so much. Let's say around 10, 15, 20 euros max.
Is Antalya cheap or expensive?
Compared to Romania, I think for some things it's cheaper than Romania. For some things it's the same. It's not so expensive.
Thank you. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student and also I work in a tourism agency. I study tourism in Romania. So yeah, I study and I work. I think they should be considered to book a hotel in an old city, old town, not around the beach because it's more impressive and you can go with the bus to the beach, so I think it's more impressive to the old town.
Did you have any culture shock here?
No, I did not. No.
Okay. Some quick questions. Best place in Antalya?
I think the beach in general and all this stuff are very nice. So I say the beaches and the old town also. Yeah.
Best food you tried?
I don't know how it's called, but I tried pide and something with L. It's like also sort of pizza, I think. I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, thank you. Antalya in one word.
Oh. Surprising.
Surprising.
Yeah.
That's right. How are the people here?
They're nice in general, but you know, around bazaar they're trying to call you to sell you things. That's a bit annoying, I would say, but not so annoying. You can ignore them and go, but they're really nice.
Thank you.
Hi.
Where are
Hello.
you from?
We came from South Korea.
Very good. Welcome to Antalya.
Thank you.
How long are you staying in Antalya?
At 3 days. We trip to honeymoon. So I think Antalya is very good because weather is so cozy weather. I think this is a cozy weather.
Thanks. Did you have any culture shock here?
Oh,
Culture shock.
I think this is definitely puppy or cat.
Yes.
Yeah, every cat don't loves human. So they 다가오다가 뭐지? 아 몰라.
Yes, they are cats and dogs in Antalya. Best place in Antalya.
What?
Best place in
Best
Antalya.
place. I think here.
Kaleiçi
Kaleiçi.
Old Town.
All
Kaleiçi.
time. Yeah.
Yes. Best food you tried.
아직.
어.
아, 저 뭐야? 그 뭐야? 우리 먹은 거. 치즈. 그 뭐야? 그 뭐지? 치즈. 그
카이막.
카이막.
Kaymak.
Kaymak and simit. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Antalya in one word.
I think it's cozy.
Cozy.
Yeah.
Yes. How are the people here?
안돼.
We don't know because yesterday we stay all day in resort, so I don't experience so many Antalya's culture and people and food.
Okay, thank you.